To use an Apple gift card on Pokémon Go, you need to have an Apple device such as an iPhone or iPad. First, make sure you have the latest version of Pokémon Go installed on your device. Open the App Store on your device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code and enter the gift card code. If you have a physical gift card, peel off the label to reveal the code. Once you have entered the code, tap on Redeem and the gift card amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. Now, open Pokémon Go and tap on the shop icon in the game. Browse the in-game items you want to purchase, such as Pokeballs or incense, and tap on the Buy button. Select the item you want to buy and the payment method will default to your Apple ID balance. If you have sufficient balance, the purchase will be made and the item will be added to your inventory. Make sure to check your Apple ID balance before making a purchase to ensure you have enough funds. It is also important to note that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase in-game items and not to buy in-game currency directly. However, you can use the gift card balance to buy in-game items that give you in-game currency. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to purchase in-game items on Pokémon Go. Always keep in mind to check your Apple ID balance and ensure you have sufficient funds before making a purchase. Using an Apple gift card is a convenient way to purchase in-game items on Pokémon Go without having to use a credit or debit card. This method is especially useful for parents who want to control their child's in-game spending or for those who prefer not to use their credit or debit card for online transactions. By using an Apple gift card, you can enjoy playing Pokémon Go while keeping your spending under control. Remember to always follow the steps outlined above and to check your Apple ID balance before making a purchase.